Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kitty Gardener, and today I'm talking about my Zimhu unit that has the sweet chocolate bell peppers. I have removed 6 of them. I'm going to save the seeds from them. I'm going to making some tacos for me and my wife, and we decided we want to try these sweet peppers in it. And you can see here that I have new peppers growing, so I'm very excited to see that. Hopefully, I'll keep getting more peppers off this plant. I'm still doing the time lapse. And if I roast more peppers, it'll be a longer time lapse. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I'm going to cut into the peppers here. Got myself a plate, got a knife. I'm gonna cut open. I'll cut open this one, and then we'll see how the inside looks, how the seeds look inside. I'm going to pretty much cut all of them up to use for cooking. And this one, the weird one, people requested the seeds. I'm gonna try to save the seeds from it. Hopefully there are some good seeds inside. So just set this one right there for now. Put this out of my way. Hopefully not knock a bunch of stuff over like I usually do. All right, so going to I think I'll the way I usually cut peppers is I cut the sidewalls off. So that's the there's lots of seeds in here. That's awesome. So I basically bought a pack that had like 10 seeds, and you can see growing my own and saving these seeds. There's probably 100 seeds in there. So that's really awesome. So this is what the inside flesh looks like. It smells. It's kind of a deceiving pepper because it has the hot pepper smell. Like it smells like it should be like super hot, but it's like one of the most sweet peppers I've ever tasted. You see like the juice that comes off of it. Try a little piece. It's delicious. Yeah, it's just a very sweet, juicy bell pepper. And I'm not going to let any of these seeds escape me. So I'm going to put that there. Got some more seeds here. So I'm saving every single seed that I can because I want to grow this plant again. So yeah, this is how I cut up a pepper in order to save the seeds. So cut the bottom off here. So all that's going into cooking, and all these are the seeds that I'm going to save. My seed. All right. Now the cool thing about pepper seeds is you don't have to ferment them like you do tomatoes because they don't have that little gel coating on it. So I'll just basically pull all these off. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but you can see I've got hundreds of seeds off of just this one pepper. So I'm going to cut the mutant, my favorite one. I don't even know how it's going to look inside or how the seed development is going to be because it was 4 peppers that fused into one. Nature's really cool. That's really awesome. So I'm going to save these seeds separate from this one. But I do want to cut into this one. So I'm going to set this aside. Again, try not to spill everything everywhere. I'm rearranging this area behind the camera to move this table out and put a new shelf here, and then take the shelf that I have behind me that's just storing things and set it here, and then I'm setting up a new table to record on. It's a long painful story. I'm trying to be more organized and less chaotic. And sometimes that works, and sometimes it doesn't. All right. So I got another old paper plate here that I use for saving seeds. Make sure there's nothing, make sure there's no dirt or anything on it. And so we're going to cut into the mutant. So I'm going to cut this way. Did I hear a seed fall? Nope. So that's how it looks inside. That looks really cool. So I'm going to take a little taste of this one to see if it tastes any different than the other one, which I highly doubt. Nope, tastes the same. Very sweet. Really good flavor. So I think there's multiple cells of the peppers, the seeds in here. Look at all these different walls. So I'm gonna try and not cut any of my seeds because I want to save every single seed. Okay, I think we're good there. And we're good there. So now I'm just going to use my hands and kind of hand tear this open because this is the treasure right here. All these seeds. Get off. Sure there's no more in here. Nope. Okay. So, I'm going to pull this open. There are some seeds there. I'm going to grab. See, the seeds there. But here's all the seeds. So, how many seeds did I get from the mutant pepper? I'm not sure yet. It's got a very thick wall here. So I thought that would be all seeds, but it's not. So I might not get as many seeds as I had hoped off the mutant, but there are going to be plenty to save. So even if I get, like I said, I bought the pack of seeds, contained 10 seeds, and I've still got, and I've only used 2 seeds out of that pack. Well, I'd say 4, because I think I wanted to ensure germination. So I took 4 seeds and grew 2 peppers, plants. And I've got multiple thousands, I probably got 2,000 seeds off of those 4 seeds back. So that's why planting and gardening is a great investment. So another seed. Because just a couple seeds will get you back thousands of seeds. So it was well worth the money I paid on buying that pack of seeds. I've got my money back plus, because not only do I get to enjoy the delicious flavor of this peppers, since I've got multiple peppers, I've got tons of seeds left in the pack that I can grow inside and outside, and then I've got my own seeds that came from my system that's acclimated to the way I'm growing. These seeds are used to growing in a small hydroponic system, so I'll definitely take the other seeds and put those outside, and then save these seeds mostly for growing inside because they're used to it. Alright, I don't see any more seeds in here. Like I said, I want to save every single seed. Okay, don't see any there. I do see a few stragglers here. There's one beautiful seed there. And a couple here. Take a closer look so I can see. Oh, okay. I think we have got them. So I'm gonna not do this on camera because it'll be boring. But I'm going to dig through this part, and this is called the placenta. It's just the membrane that holds the seeds inside. Let me grab another one here. So I'm gonna definitely keep these all separate. So this one fooled me because in the back it was still green, but it's still gonna have good viable seeds. Let me taste the green. So I haven't tasted the green. See if the green is sweet. This part, the chocolate, is definitely sweet. It's not as sweet, but it's good. It's a very nice bell pepper flavor. So let me flip these all over so that you can all see the beautiful chocolate interior. Yeah, like I said, it's really delicious, really good. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more peppers to save the seeds from. All right, so I'm going to continue chopping these up, and I'm going to start cooking my my tacos. I haven't decided whether I'm going to show that or not because I've shown myself making tacos before. It's not that exciting, but it'll be exciting for my taste buds when I include these inside of it. So yeah, that's really cool. And I think these would be good cooked or raw. I'm going to I will test it. I will put these in the hot pan first because some things with bright colors like this, you cook them and they'll revert to green. I think these will maintain their chocolate color when cooked. I'm not sure yet. I've never done it before, so I'm going to try it, and I'll let you know. All right. So I'm going to do my end talk here, and if I want to show anything, I'll do an insert. I'm happy to report that they do maintain their chocolatey color. They get a little bit redder, but they look beautiful. Awesome. They taste good. All right. Any comments, questions, leave the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.